Welcome back. Let's work on lesson 5, multiple representations, 8.5b and 8.5i. We have 3 examples, but let's keep it short and sweet. Example number 1 is the value of y as 3 more than twice the opposite of x. We should be able to write an equation by using the given clues. So right here we have y is, which is what? Y equals. And we do have a 3 more than. What does it mean 3 more than? Which is what? 3 plus, right? 3 plus. 3 plus what? 3 plus twice, which is 2 times. 2 times what? The opposite of x. What is the opposite of x? Which is what? Opposite x is negative x. So if we write it as a regular equation, we should be able to write it as a y equals what? Negative x times 2, which will be a negative 2x, and then a positive 3 plus 3. Somebody said, I do not know how to do this. Okay, but you can still use this. You will get the same, exactly the same answer. So if you take a look at the answer choices, we know we need to select 2 correct answers. Take a look at the first one, y equals. Do we have y equals? If you can eliminate your answer choices by using the original one, do we have a 3, positive 3? Yes. Do we have a negative 2? 2, negative. Combine, multiplying them, negative 2, right? Do we have x? Yes. So is that correct? Yes. Or if you know how to combine them, how to rewrite them, you should be able to write your equation like this, exactly the same as the answer choices. Perfect. And then we have table and graphs. What do? Still remember, we need to use the calculator, right? That's our best friend. So go to your calculators, and we already have an equation. Just write down our equation as y equals negative 2x plus 3. Then we need to convert either a table or a graph, which means if you take a look at the right side of the graph, click on home on your calculator, which is under the right corner over here, click on home, you'll see this line is going down. So obviously there's one that's wrong, which is what? This one, because it's not going up, it's going down, right? It's decreasing. And somebody said, I would like to check the order pairs. Great. So how do you check the order pairs? Remember, we gotta click on the gear on the top right corner and then click on convert it to a table. Right here, the first one, the table. It looks like a table, right? Then you should be able to convert it to a table like this. Take a look at the first one. I have 0, 3. Do we have 0, 3 right here? Perfect. Cool. And then do I have this point on the grade 1, 1? Do we have it? Perfect. Somebody say, I'm not sure if this one crossed this point. Let's put it down. I don't have it. 3 and negative 3. So is that correct? Yes. Could be my answer. And then go back down to the table. Ooh, I got a lot of numbers, but I can cross this one out because I already have a 0, a 3, and a negative 3. Not going to be a 0, so this one is wrong. Next one, right here, 0 and 3. This is correct. But I don't have the rest of them. Go ahead and type it in. Negative 8 paired with 19. Negative 4 paired with 11. So this is wrong. Correct 2 answers will be first one and the third one. So summarize, what do? Step 1, keyword. Finding out your keyword to write an equation. Step number 2, type in equation. And then convert to a table by using what? Setting, table, and then check order pairs. Right? I'll put it as a step 3 to check order pairs because you do need that extra step to type in the answers, the potential answer choices they give it to you. But yeah, this is very easy. Example number 2, I have a word problem. Again, we need to definitely use the keyword per, each, every, representing 4. The slope, m. And also we will have Any like begin, initial, start, has to be. If we don't have the keyword for B, that's okay, but we definitely need a keyword for M, right? This is a must. And then we should know my equation should always be what? Y equals mx plus b. Let's start with the example. Right here we have a teacher bought markers at a cost of $3 per set. Do we have a keyword here? $3 per set. So that means this is the what? $3 will be my unit rate. M, 3. And then the teacher had a $2 off coupon. What does it mean, $2 off coupon? I don't have a keyword, but I know this is the number. I don't have the keyword beginning, initial, start, and I don't have no per each every. So potentially this number will be a B, the y-intercept. But I also have, so it should be a 2. But I know it's a $2 off coupon. What does it mean? So if you pay $5, but you get a $2 coupon, what do you actually pay? $3, right? 5 minus 2. So the coupon means it is going to be a -2 minus 2. So this number will be my B, which is -2. So if you have M equal 3, B equals -2, will we be able to write an equation by using Y equals MX plus B, which is 3X plus B plus -2, which is a -2. So again, same thing. Go into your calculator since we already have an equation. This is step 1. Equation. Step 2. Type it in. Y equals 3x minus 2. Exactly as what we have, type in the calculator. Do not have to convert anything. And then convert, which is what? Setting and table, right? Setting, table. Boom, here's my table. Starting from eliminating answer choices. So that's step 3. Eliminate answer choices. Find the answer, right? Starting with the first one, I got a 3. I don't have it. Type in 3. I should pair with a 7. Ooh, that's correct. Good. And then keep on going. 9, 25, 12, 34, and then 24, 70. Okay, good. Nice. Next one, B. Potentially answer choice. B. 9. 9 should pair with a 25. So this is a 25. Wrong. C. 3 should pair with a 7. D. 9 should pair with a 25. Correct answer choice is A. So step 3 is what? Type in value X, right? The X value to find the correct answer. All right, this is example number 2. Then the last one is example number 3, which is easy as well. You have an architect sketches the design of a house on a coordinate grid. One section of the roof is a line, straight line passing through the points. Ooh, I got 2 points. What do we do with the 2 points? We need to write an equation of the line. So we have the table. We have 2 order pairs, 10, 14, 25, 23. We got it. Then go to your calculator, making sure you clear everything before each new problem. So step 1, create a table. Put what? 2 order pairs. And then step 2, let's start with step 1 first. 10, 14, 25, 23. Step 2, put equation. Y1 similar to mx1 plus b. Remember, when we do not have an equation, we gotta convert it as y1 similar to. But if we do have an equation like the last question, we just type in the equation. This one, m equals 0.6, b equals 8. If we need to rewrite it as an order pair, it gotta be a 0, 8. But this question only asked me to write an equation. So your equation will be y equals 0, 6x plus 8. Thanks for watching. Continue to work on 8.5b and 5i. We have example number 4, which should be very easy. Same thing, if you have a work problem, a baker delivers cookies to offices. The baker charges a $5 delivery fee. The baker charges a total of $20 for delivering 12 cookies. The baker charges a total of $27.50 for delivering 18 cookies. Which equation represents the total charge in $y? So y representing for the what? Dollars. So if you're going back, y should be what? $20. $27.50, right? For a delivery of X cookies. X representing for how many cookies? So the first one, how many cookies? 12. Second one, how many cookies? 18. So do we have 2 order pairs? Same thing. Go into your table, create a table. 12 cookies, $20. 18 cookies, $27.50. Here we go. 12 and 20. 18, $27.50. This is step 1, table. Step 2, equation. y1 similar to mx1 plus b. y1 similar to mx1 plus b. M equals 1.25. B equals 5. Can we write an equation? Step 3, write the equation. Y equals what? 1.25x plus 5. Do we have the key? Do we have the answer? Here we go.